It's going to be a quick video on how to install the high point weaver rails. They'll work with the 995, 4095, and 4595TS tactical stocks. It has to look like this stock. If it does not, this rail will not work with your high point. You're going to need, if you don't have the tool that came with your gun, a 1/8 inch Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. It's pretty simple. You remove the Allen wrench bolts here on the front, these first two. Take your rails out, and it's pretty obvious how they go into place here. If you put it on backwards, they're going to look pretty stupid sticking out over the front. So, and they fit right into place. Flip it over here. Now, comes with the two screws. Now, if you got to be able to start it and just slide it all the way through to the other side. If you try to come in from this way, you'll have to thread it, and you're going to thread all the way through, and there's no threads on this side. So push your bolt through, take your Phillips screwdriver and just snug it a little bit. Back one. Come back and tighten it up. And there you go. Obviously, I didn't show it, but I cleared the weapon, made sure everything was safe before I started. And that is how you install the high point weaver rails.